A very warm greetings to the viewers of KCGC TV. Myself, Misha Kapoor from Khalsa College International Public School, Ranjit Avenue, thanks Khalsa College Charitable Society for giving me an opportunity to deliver a lecture on social issues that prevail in India. First of all, I will tell you what are social issues. Social issues are the issues or the problem that affect the large group in the society. These problems make the life harder of the some group of the society. These problems need to be fixed for the betterment of the society. As we know, India is a developing country. Besides this development, there many social issues prevail in the economy. So today we discuss these issues. Social issues are poverty, unemployment, gender inequality, child labor, illiteracy, corruption and caste discrimination. We will discuss these topics one by one. First, poverty. What is poverty? Poverty क्या है? Poverty is a situation, or I can say that it is in that person is not able to have enough money to make the needs of the family, food, shelter, clothes, etc. I can say that it is very uncomfortable and it have to make many struggle to lead a comfortable life. Poverty is not in an individual and the social concern. At the individual level, I said a person is not able to end its needs, but at the social level or society level, I can say that it hampered the growth of economy. What are the causes? कारण क्या है poverty के? Low wages है, corruption, unemployment, war, conflict, lack of education. To over these causes, what make effect on the society? Hunger, mental issues, stress level, and poor health. To overcome this cause in effect, government is making many efforts like education for all, many schemes like Manrega, Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana for the shelter security, Pradhan Mantri Annapurna Yojana for the food security, Ayushman Yojana for the health security, and many more. Next is unemployment. Unemployment यानी बेरोजगारी. Unemployment is a situation when a person want to work. He want to work, but he does not get the work according to his skill. To understand the concept of unemployment, I will discuss with you the first 4 types of unemployment, like structural, frictional, seasonal, and cyclic. Frictional unemployment is that it is short-term unemployment. It means the person switch off their jobs after 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. Right? Next is structural unemployment. It is that unemployment when the person not get the job according to the skill. And next, cyclic. Cyclic unemployment is occur in bad times, bad economic times, like in COVID time that many of the countries many of the industries get shut down, but due to which many persons get unemployed. Next is seasonal. Seasonal unemployment is due to the season, like some person get unemployment in the like in ice cream seller hai, he is remain unemployed in the winter season. Woolen garment seller is also remain unemployed in summer season. What are the causes of unemployment? Population growth, low economic growth, poverty, and education. Next, causes के कारण इनके जो effects पड़ते हैं same mental level, stress हो जाता है, poverty बढ़ जाती है, crime rate बढ़ जाता है. To overcome this, the government making effort like same education, Skill India initiative done by the government, many schemes, many subsidy programs given by the government to make the employee to work on that. It is also important there should be industries on the labor intensive technique so that more and more labor get employed. I can think unemployment and poverty both are interconnected. Now, next topic is gender inequality. Gender inequality is that when a woman get discriminated on the job, on house, and on education, dowry, child marriage, and many things that still persist in our society. Many effort done by the government to overcome it, like women reservations, many education schemes started by the government for the education, many awareness programs started by the government. Beti Padhao Beti Bachao scheme is also initiated by the government to remove this gender inequality. Next is child labor. Child labor, it is a situation when a child below 14 years of age do work in the farm, in a factory, or some in any area to help their family and against his will. Millions of children work in these areas instead of going to school. Sometimes they work in some unhygienic and unsafe conditions also, like in cracker factory, mastic factory. Government is making aware for it. Many campaigns also done for it. They are making law against it. If any person find guilty, he will be get punished. Next is illiteracy. Illiteracy refers to the inability to the read and write at level of sufficient effective communication. The consequence of this illiteracy is limited job opportunities, increase in poverty, poor health conditions, and many more. Literacy rate improved in India, but quality of education is still poor. In many areas, dropout rate is very high in the tribal areas, especially among the girls. Many initiatives done by the government like midday meal schemes, primary education for the girls, free uniform and books also to increase and to attract the student towards the school. Last is corruption. Corruption is abuse of the power for the personal gain. Corruption affects all sectors of the economy. It typically involves the dishonest or unethical mayor at the person who is on position at the government level or some cooperative level. He do bribe, fraud, extortion at some end. It reduces our economy also. It reduces the trust of the person in the government. To overcome this, government is making RTI, right of information, and Digital India to make the work transparency and gain the trust of the citizens. And at last, I want to say that caste discrimination, even though this caste-based discrimination is illegal, but it still exists. At last, I want to say that social issues are deeply rooted but interconnected. Solving them require efforts and cooperation among the citizens of India, government, and each of us. Thank you.